Anemia is a condition where the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood becomes low due to either a decrease in the hemoglobin or decrease in the number of RBCs. Easy fatigability and tiredness are the main symptoms of anemia as the organs don't get enough oxygen supply. Anemia can be diagnosed by performing a simple CBC in which a blood sample taken in this purple colored EDTA packagina and performed on a 5-part differential automated instrument called the Beckman Coulter. This Coulter will give us a result in 1 minute. It helps us in diagnosing anemia very easily because it gives us parameters like hemoglobin, the red blood cell count, the WBC count and the 5-part differential, the RDW, MCV, MCH, MCHC and the hematocrit. Evaluation of anemia can be further done by performing an ESR. ESR is the erythrocyte sedimentation rate. It can be performed on the roller 20. This automated instrument gives us a result in 5 minutes. Anemias are caused by hereditary disorders like hemoglobinopathies and thalassemias. These can be checked by performing the hemoglobin HPLC on this instrument called Biorad D10. It gives us a graph where the abnormal hemoglobins can be detected and an easy diagnosis of the cause of hemoglobinopathy made. The commonest cause of anemia is iron deficiency anemia. Iron studies can be performed by testing the serum iron UIDC and iron levels on this instrument called Kovar Integra. This is a completely automated instrument and will give us a result in 18 minutes. Another reason of nutritional deficiency could also be a deficiency of vitamin B12 and folate. These assays can be performed on Centaur XP. The results are available in 20 minutes.